Hey guys, it's John. I wanted to show you a couple more things about using ALOFT in your math classes. When you create a problem set for your students, it's often the case that the order that I have them in the ALOFT database isn't really the way you want to show the different problem groups when you're teaching it. Let me show you an example then of how that could happen and how you could change it. So let's just say I want to create a new problem set. And I'm going to create a problem set that's just right now called Big Day in Trig. And that'll be my problem set that I'm creating. And let's just say I'm on the day where I'm learning about trig functions, maybe right triangle trigonometry. And there are these different groups of problems that I could assign on that day. Let's just say I chose to do these. Now, personally, when I teach something like this, I like to also give them each day a review group. So maybe I want them to review something about unit circles from the day before. Let's just say this particular thing, they're going to find a point on the unit circle. If I mark it as review, and we'll learn more about marking out problems as being review at a different time, but all that happens is they get printed in a different color. They're just a visual cue that this is review material. All right, so I have a review group marked. Still have to mark that it was something I want to assign, and then the new stuff. And I hit submit. Go back to my tasks. Now, I can tell you that if I previewed this homework set, there's a problem. The review problems are going to be shown first. Most of the time, we like to put the review stuff at the end of the assignment. This could also be happening any kind of problem group that you wanted to rearrange. So I would just choose to rearrange a problem group. Now I would find this one, which I just created, which is called Big Day in Trig. And rather crudely, it just sort of shows us the 5 groups I selected, with this darker one being the review group. It's dark, it's gray, because it's going to be printed in like kind of a black and white grayscale. If I just drag this down to the bottom, now that will be the 5th group that the students encounter when they do their homework. And the same is true. Sometimes I rearrange the problem groups for other reasons too. Although honestly, my main use of this is to put the review groups at the end. All right, well then we would just save it. And now when the students see these groups, they're going to be seeing them in the order I selected. All right, if you have any questions about anything related to ALOFT, I'd love to hear from you.